Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Check it out. We're at the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and this is our extended balcony room. Here is our seating area. Vanity here. This is where I like to get ready for dinner before the show. They have a great musician here on the ship. Tons of storage. Hair dryer. Again, places for everything. I love the artwork. The parrot is my favorite. License to chill, and I believe I will. Of course, you got your TV, ice bucket. We will not be drinking the $5 water. Got some more storage. Oh, check this out. Refrigerator. And the bed. You can also have your room made into twin beds if you prefer. We're still at port, so it's not a great view, but come check this out. The extended balcony has a full lounge chair and also a great little seating area. Here's our friends. It is such a treat to walk out on the balcony and take in these beautiful ocean views and sunsets. Let me go show you the bathroom. I love the bathroom on the Sea Islander because there's a ton of storage. You don't really realize it till you're in here, but let's check it out. You have your toilet, you have your shower area. I love that it's a shower curtain and not like a shower door because it kind of gives you a little more space. And they actually do have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. For a cruise, this is a pretty good shower. I give it a 8 out of 10. But this is my favorite part, is there's so much storage here in the bathroom where you can put all of your things so they're easy to get to. And we've got some hand wash. They're great about extra towels. We'll definitely get some towel animals. So much storage for your luggage. We got this closet here. We've got a safe. We've got 2 rows to hang things. Check that out. And then a whole nother closet where our luggage, we can store our luggage, hang some dresses. Go Tigers. All right, guys, thank you for joining me at my crib on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. And that's my crib. Thanks for coming.